Oh, that's a good one. If I can get him in. Stay down, and I got him. I'm gonna call that guy dinner. Yeah, he's easily big enough. There you go. That's at least, that's the tiger trout of the day right there. All right. He's got a hook jaw too on him.
Oh yeah, all this right there.
They're all right in here. Oh, there we are. Now if I can get him in is the question. That's a little tiger though. Yep, I got him. Want a close-up look?
Oh, that's cool.
They got nice patterning, don't
they? Wow. It's like a leopard print almost.
Yeah. Or a tiger print. AKA tiger trout.
Yeah.
There you guys go. Yeah, I have 2 on the stringer, but this one's way too small to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Well, that's a good one. Ah, there we are. They're hiding out deeper. Stop flopping. Yeah, I got him in the mouth. There you guys go. There's a little tiger. There we are. Here's another. Alright. Not gonna keep this guy. This guy is just way too small. Thank you, buddy. Little tiger.